Hey guys, we're in PA right now and we're at a Airbnb. And why are we here, Abby?
Because we're going down to sight and sound.
Yeah. And what are we seeing? What?
Moses.
Moses. Are y'all excited for this?
Yep.
I'm excited to see how they do the water part when they split the sea. I want to see how they do that.
Hello, everyone. Yes, we're excited to see Moses. And what part are you looking forward to?
Splitting seas.
Splitting sea. Me too.
Okay, so we're at a place called Sharp Shopper, and it is just like loaded with food.
But it still tastes like a nice
Interesting. Alright, so we are in bed now. Abby's on the top bottom, and I'm at the bottom. And we're gonna get some sleep for tomorrow. And see what happens. The play starts at 3, so not really sure what we're gonna do until then, but we'll see.
We're leaving at 1.
Yep. Okay, so we're in the kitchen right now, and I'm currently cooking hash browns. And my parents just left to go where, Abby?
Walk to a coffee shop.
Yeah, they
7
went to
minutes away.
go walk to a coffee shop. So we're just here, and I'm making breakfast. And yeah, what are you doing, Abby?
Watching you.
finished doing Psalms and Proverbs, and now we are about to get ready for the play. Okay, so I think we are all ready now. Abby's down here. She's riding her hoverboard. We are about to leave, and I'm super excited. Elijah, what do you think? Are you excited?
First,
Yeah. We're listening.
I don't want to see that basket floating.
Yeah, I think we're gonna figure out how they do that, and I'm super excited to see how this goes. Alright, so we are just having a quick little snack here. Do you like your little snack?
Yeah. So I modified it.
Oh, right.
I put onion in it and hot sauce.
Okay. So we're about to head out in about
20 minutes.
20 minutes to go to the play. Alright, so we're in the car now, right? And we are about to head off. We're gonna meet Trisha at the theater.
At the Lion and the Lamb, in the last video.
Okay, so that's what we're doing now. We're waiting for my dad to get out, and then we're gonna head out.
With hiccups.
I can't record once they start. Okay, so we're in here now. Sitting down. Trisha's over there. And it's gonna start pretty soon.
Well, hi.
Are you excited? I'm super excited. I cannot wait. Yep. Trying to get my bobbers. Calamaco, look over here.
And Sound TV is your front row seat to exclusive live broadcasts, special events, and encore performances of your favorite segments.
Where does he get his strength from? Nobody's that strong.
In your dream.
Right there, back to start.
Sight and Sound Theaters invites you to experience one of the most epic Bible stories as it comes to life on stage.
You are going to become someone very important someday, Moses.
A man chosen by God to defy an empire and lead a nation.
Pharaoh, I can only serve one God.
Moses, by leaving now, you surrender all your rights,
Privileges and protection as a member of my family. You don't know who I am.
No, you don't know who you are.
Moses, deliver my people out of bondage and into the land of promise.
I have turned my back on all of the riches of Egypt. Who is this God that I should listen to him? Let my people go!
Moses, I will stretch out my hand and perform mighty miracles.
Prepare for a journey out of Egypt on a quest to reach the promised land.
God is watching over you, Moses.
Prepare for battle. I want soldiers, horses, chariots.
He will always be watching over you.
Deliver us!
Moses, live on stage at Sight and Sound Theaters, returning to Lancaster for 1 season only.
Okay, so it just finished, and now we're trying to get out.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wait, she's not headed to the front?
Yes, she is. She's messing with us.
All right, so I got to say that the water scene that I was expecting to be on the screen with like maybe a little bit of effects on the stage was nothing like I thought. For example, they didn't have anything on the screen, right? When it came to the water, they had mountains, which is pretty cool. But instead they had these air balloons that came on the stage, and they came up and they kind of had this wave. And then the screens on the side of us, though, they show like the water. That was pretty cool. And yeah, I was like, what are they gonna do with the water coming back down? But they had all the lights and the dark and the sound and all that, made up for the lack of being able to put water on people. So it's pretty cool. Here.
A lot.
The one.
A lot. Abby. Okay, so we're back from the theater now. Elijah is over there behind the plant. Anyway, so I think the show was super good, and I liked how they split the scene and everything. That was super amazing. And I think it's pretty crazy that we're in the same Airbnb that we were in the last time. And the theater is actually 10 minutes from here, which is pretty cool. So Elijah, what did you think about the show? So yeah, guys, I totally recommend it like last time. So yeah, if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe, like, ding the notification bell.
And
Do not forget to click the link.
Hope you have a great day.